doing is he's been, anyone who's not driving fast enough for him in the left lane, he's been going around in the right and then changing lanes into the left before he actually has room to freak them out and get them to step on the brake and move over. Now he's tailgating, he's in 2 lanes. Look, he's going to do it. Watch how he moves over. He's going to cut it so fucking close. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. I don't even know if you're able to see that, because I feel like the dash cam makes things seem so much further away. But he did to 3 people now that I caught. I'm sure he did it to way more. This guy just shot across 3 lanes. He's going to jump. He's going to try and use the exit as a way to jump around this cluster, because that connects. That black Porsche Cayenne. Yep, here he goes. He's doing it again. Ready? Look at this. Unreal. Good. See ya. Asshole. Look at him. So far, it was worth it. Give him a wave. Let him know I'm still here. We don't know. Nobody knows. This exit is such a fucking clusterfuck. Look at these idiots.
In 700 feet, stay to the left.
The road is
exit
painted
142B,
where you need to be
west,
for what lane.
Springfield. Then exit right.
Where do you suppose this idiot's going?
Stay to the left.
Where you want to be.
Then exit
100%.
right to exit 142B, I-78 west, Springfield.
That looks ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
Let me go or no? Fucking asshole.
This happened to me the other day also.
He literally just looked at me and kept going.
That happened to me the other day, and the person beeped at me, but I was 3/4 of the way out of the spot, and they were the ones that refused to stop. And I was like, "Are you fucking kidding? Like, I did
down
nothing
the aisle.
wrong."
Cut him off. Okay. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Where is he? Oh, go to the next one.
Would you stop? What
No,
is
I'm
the
gonna
matter
prove a
with
point.
you?
Here he comes. Oh, you can't see the back. Fucking idiot. He's probably perplexed how I got over there. Oh, here he is again.
Come on.
I didn't plan on that. I had no idea. That was awesome. There he is. Look at him.